So here's a really cool tip. Say you've got a nice little loop and it sounds like this. And you found a really cool guitar solo or wah-wah guitar like this. You know what? It's just not fitting the song, so just take a listen to it all together. One thing you can do is slap a vocoder on it. So we've got a vocoder here. What we can do is take the carrier to external and take input from the operator, which is that first synth. So now let's just take a listen. Now, because the operator itself is having very, very few frequencies, what we're going to do here is change the wave to a saw D. Let's switch that operator off. So we can actually hear it now here in the vocoder. It sounds much better. And what we can do is even make it better than that. We can actually use a square. And in the envelope, we can bring the release down so it's a really tight sound. And then we can spread the sound so it sounds really fully stereo there like that. Now we can bring that chord back in. And we can make some adjustments on the vocoder. So for example, we can change the format and the depth a little bit. And we can change the bands. We can actually reduce the bands here to 16. So that's pretty cool. But then there's a last thing that I think really helps is adding a little bit of delay and EQ. So let's just do that. And let's just change that pitch envelope to be a bit lower and that spread to be a bit lower. And if we want, we can go all the way into the oscillator, and we can actually change parts of it so it's not sounding so full. We can make it sound like a bit thinner on the low end. So suddenly you've got a guitar sample that you can actually use in your track where you couldn't really use it before unless you wanted to sort of change the pitch. But this is a much more interesting and creative way of doing it.